Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. And here we are this morning. We're hanging a Marvel carburetor on an AA1B, and there's a couple little tricks to it. If you see right here, there are 4 bolts, there are 4 studs that stick out of the bottom of the sump, and we have to get the washer, the star washer, and the nut on each of the 4. Now, if you notice right here, I'm going to point with the screwdriver, there's not much of a gap. The front ones are easy. You got plenty of space to come up and put them on, but you've got to get all 4 nuts with washers and all started, because you only have so much to play with there to get them in. So we still have the other side to do, but that's the little trick, is to getting all of these all started first, and then you can run them all up and tighten them down. The ones on the bottom aren't so critical. What is critical between the air box and that is make sure you put the gasket in place. And we have a new gasket here to accomplish just that when we get the carburetor finished. But that's how you hang a carburetor. And then of course, once the carburetor is bolted to the engine and you have the air box all hooked up, then you come back and hook up both the mixture and then the throttle hookup. We left the carb heat already intact on the bracket. So we hope you found this useful and informative. I'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman.